Hey friends, Jen Foxbot here. One of the things I love doing when I'm on nature walks is identifying some of the plants that I see and listening to all of the animals. So this is a thimbleberry, bracken fern. I'm not sure what this one is, but some of them have really pretty purple flowers. Oh, that one right there is a really ancient plant. Horsetail? Horsetail, I think it is. Let's keep going. I know these as buttercups. Anyone know their official name? Is that their official name? I'm not totally sure. And I hear rustling in bushes. Birds, squirrels, both. And this is a really beautiful tree covered in moss. Pacific Northwest Classic. What sorts of plants do you notice in your area? Ooh, I think this big leafed one is a sorrel. This one. I think it's edible, but don't quote me on that. Any feedback is welcome. I would love to hear the plants that you notice on your nature walks. Yay, bye. Ooh, look, there's a squirrel friend. Haha, very fast squirrel friend. Oh, and there's a bird over there. Excellent. Aha, here's the purple flowers I was talking about. It's all pretty. Yay. Oh, look at all these flowers. Yeah. Flower explosion, the best kind of explosion. Yay, nature! I'm not sure what these are called, but they remind me of a plant that I know is a bleeding heart. And I think that plant can be used if you're having a heart attack. I find it really cool to learn about all of the medicinal uses of plants that, you know, used to be common knowledge and now is really held by indigenous communities. And, you know, other folks are getting into it too, which is awesome. Because, yeah, there's all sorts of knowledge right in our backyards. Yay, fun! Oh, also, sword ferns. Where are my sword fern friends? Sword ferns. These ones, they grow brown bumps on the bottom, and you can, let's see if I can grab them. Oh, I gotta put down my coffee cup. On the bottom, these will turn brown, and then you can use them if you get stinging nettles or bug bites. It works really well as anti-itch. Yay for plant medicine!